I'm going to show you how to create a custom color scheme to use when you are creating things in PowerPoint. So to start off, what I like to do is find a color scheme that I want to use on Pinterest because they already have a lot that are pre-made. So I like to scroll through and find one that kind of appeals to my brand or appeals to a certain project that I am working on. So I like these bright colors to use. So once I have that, I like to split screen, leave one up on one side, one on the other side. You also can save it to your Pinterest, from your Pinterest page to PowerPoint. It's kind of up to you what you want to do. So if you move it over to PowerPoint, you can just drag it up to the top so it's not right in the view. If you leave it up over here, then both ways work. What you're going to do is you're going to create a new slide, blank slide. I'm going to copy this off of that slide and move it over here so I can show you how to do this. And then you'll start by inserting a text box. So, example is my word. Choose whatever font you want to play around with it and font size. Okay? So now what you're going to do is highlight the first letter of your word and come up here to font. And this one is your text color. And if you go down to the bottom, you can go to more colors. So instead of messing around with this and trying to move it all around and finding where exactly you want a color, or if you're using the same colors for products kind of thing, then it's nice to have them in one place. So you can see that I have saved some that I use commonly for projects. But anyways, what you're going to do is you're going to take this eyedropper and you're going to go over your image. Again, it can work on the image you put into PowerPoint or right over on Pinterest. Both ways will grab that color for you and press OK. And you would continue that process for each of the colors that you're wanting to use in your project. If you want this color to be saved every time you come to this area, then when you go to drag and click, once it shows up right here, then you're going to click and drag it to one of these blank spots. So now I can use this color on that text, but anytime that I go back to this font section, it's always going to have that color there for me. So like I said, if you are doing things for your brand in particular and you have that color scheme that you always follow, then it's really helpful to go ahead and just put them there all the time so that you're not having to continually pull them one by one for the project every single time. So you would continue this process until you have all of the colors that you want to use for your project. And then what I like to do after I have each one that I'm utilizing is to just copy by highlighting and pasting them again, so then I can type in each word like that. And if I only need those colors, then I would delete, and now I have my word using that color scheme. I can delete that image, and then you are good to go. Hopefully that helps you.